how to adjust the ball tracking speed in FC25. So if you don't think the camera in FC25 is tracking the ball quick enough, we can adjust it. From the main page here, come to the top left and select this little cog. Then you want to select settings. Then from settings, you want to select game settings. Now we need to use the left and right bumper to get to camera, and come down and you'll see ball tracking here. Currently you can't adjust it. So how do we adjust it? Come back up to custom settings and change it from default to custom. Then you'll be able to come down and select ball tracking and adjust it. And you can adjust the speed, how fast the ball is tracked with the camera. So that's how to adjust ball tracking speed in FC25.